What's up, guys? I've got this satellite speaker from Onkyo. Zoom somewhere else. And recently it fell off, as you can see. There's a scratch. It fell off my table, and high resolution speaker fell off this plate inside the speaker box, and I need to repair it. So, how to get in? That was the main problem I found. As you can see, I just opened it. It was pretty hard. I was scared about break something, but I finally did it. So, if you want to do something like this, you'll need a screwdriver, because there's 4 screws in these holes. But there is something else I was stuck on. This piece gets in here. Oh, I get poor light in here. So how can I show you? How about some light? Last one. Okay, so there is some pile, and it's slightly glued with some plastic glue, and it goes inside these holes. As you can see, there's glue in here. So it's basically the thing what holds the speaker with those 2 parts together. When you unscrew these screws and you try to pull it out from the box, it still holds by this, so you need to force. As you can see, maybe I made some scratches, but I finally did it without any damage. So it's pretty good plastic. It's Japanese Onkyo, so I think it's good. So that's it, basically. Easy. And if I want to put it together, just push it there. So if you want to find the screws, there's something like this. There's this fluffy thing. I think it's a silencer. I wasn't surprised, because these boxes are pretty good in quality. So it's pushed inside, and then they are using this rubber thingy to close the door, and finally this cover goes in the rubber things. And before all that, there's a screw inside. Oh, well, that's it. So pull out these rubber covers with some, I don't know, pincet or something. Pull out this silent material, and finally unscrew the screws from the hole. But you are not win, as I showed you before. You need to push and break the glue part in these 2 piles, and that's it. It's pretty harsh. You need to force. As I said, I was afraid to break something, but this plastic is pretty good, pretty tough, so no problem, as I see. So I will put it together again and let it play. So I hope somebody helps it. See you guys.